Ever turn that key and your car hits you with silence? Not even a cough. Just straight up, nah, not today, buddy. That's why I roll with this right here, the CRAFTSMAN 1500A Jumpstarter. Clamp it, press a button, brings your car back to life like Lazarus. Let's check it out. Hey, it's Bertrand Tech Man here, and today I'm breaking down something that'll turn your dead battery days into a I got this moment. This ain't just a jump starter, it's a self-reliant kit in a box. Real powers, real features, no YouTube engineering degree required. And hey, help me hit 10,000 followers by the end of this year, so subscribe if you like tools and don't want to waste your time. Alright, let's quickly talk about some specs. It has 1500 peak amps, it gas up to V8s, diesels up to 6 liters. It has a LED light with SOS and strobe modes. Dual USB ports for your phone, tablets, or speaker. It even has reverse polarity protection. Yes, it's dummy proof. But most importantly, the price is $149.99. Okay, let's say $150. Alright, let's bring something back from the dead. Here's how you use it. Step by step, no fluff. The first thing you want to do when you get it is you want to charge it fully. So you plug it into the wall using the USB port. Charges up from 0 to 100% in about 6 hours. Yes, I know that's a long time, but it's worth it. Now, I recommend charging it overnight at least once a month. See, you want to treat it like your gym membership. You may not use it every day, but when you need it, it better be ready. Alright, so here's how to use it. Very simple. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you plug in your cable here. The block goes to the block, the circle goes to the circle. Make sure it's all the way in there like so. You take your positive and you put it on the positive, and you take your negative and you put it on the negative. Then you touch your indicator up here, turn it on to let you know how much battery you have, and also next you click on the power. You know the alternator light signal will come on, LED. You go inside and you start your car. Take off your negative first, and then you take off your positive, and then you turn it off. And boom shakalaka, you're done. Put it back in its charger when you're back home and charge it up. Remember, dead jump starters can't save dead batteries, so you keep it topped off. So here are the pros and the cons. It starts big vehicles even when freezing. Digital screen makes it easy to read, no guessing. Safe and fast, ain't nobody got time to blow a fuse. Good power to size ratio. Now here's the cons. It's a little chunky for a backpack, but it's fine for a trunk. It charges with USB, which I don't know about that yet. No air compressor. It's strictly a jump and power unit. It is good for charging batteries only in an emergency situation. So, let me ask you, what's the wildest place your car ever died on you? Drop it in the comment. I reply to everyone. And if this jump starter would save you that day, like the video, smash subscribe, because we're gunning for 10,000 followers by New Year's. So let's hit it together. And if you've used this unit before, good or bad, sound off in the comment section. Real reviews help real people, And that's what I want to be, real, because I'm real and I'm one of the people. All right, now if you got a cousin who thinks that he can use the shoelace and a 9-volt battery to start a car, send him this video, help him out, and again, help a tech brother out by hitting that subscribe button. Final words, the CRAFTSMAN 1500A is that, a solid friend. Reliable, no drama, always got your back. Charge it monthly, keep it in your trunk, and when your car pulls a Houdini, just pull this bad boy out and then handle it like a boss. Now, if you want to see how this stacks up against other jump starters, check out my review of this jump starter right there.